In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bluehost File Manager to upload files, download files, and change permissions the easy way. If you manage a website, this is one of the fastest ways to work with your site files without needing extra software. Whether you're uploading images, website files, backups, or editing access permissions, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account and go to Websites, then click Manage Site. This takes you to the main dashboard for the website you want to work on. If you manage more than one site, just make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, look for Files and Access, and then click File Manager. This opens Bluehost's built-in file management tool where you can browse the folders and files inside your hosting account. You do not need to install anything extra, which makes this very convenient for quick file tasks. Once File Manager opens, you'll see your site directories on the screen. A common folder you may want to open is the public/HTML folder, because this is usually where your main website files are stored. If you're uploading something that should be visible on your live site, this is often the folder you'll use. Take a moment to choose the correct folder before uploading, because placing files in the wrong location can make them harder to find later. Now, let's upload a file. Inside the folder you want to use, click the Upload button. Then select the file from your computer that you want to add to your hosting account. Bluehost will begin uploading it into the current folder. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the upload finishes, you should see the file appear in the folder list. If you want to download a file, the process is just as simple. First, select the file you want to save to your computer. Then click Download. Your browser will start downloading that file right away. This is useful if you need a backup copy, want to edit the file locally, or need to transfer it somewhere else. Now let's talk about changing file permissions. Permissions control who can read, write, or execute a file, and they are very important for website security and proper functionality. To change permissions, select the file you want to adjust and click Permissions if prompted. Bluehost may show you a permissions window where you can update access settings. Be careful here, because incorrect permissions can cause files to stop working or create security issues. A good rule is to only change permissions when you know exactly what is needed. For example, certain files may need different settings depending on whether they are folders, website scripts, or configuration files. If you are following instructions from a plugin, developer, or support article, use the exact permission values they recommend. So to quickly review, here's the full process. Go to Websites, then Manage Site. Open Files and Access, then File Manager. Choose the folder you need, like public.html. Click Upload to add a file. Select a file and click Download to save it. And if needed, select a file and open permissions to adjust access settings. That's really all there is to it. Bluehost File Manager gives you a simple way to manage your website files directly from your hosting dashboard, which can save time and make website maintenance much easier. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.